Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. So to utilize this, first of all, you can just go to the mobile application or from through their website. Enable airplane mode on your device. This will disconnect your internet connection, right? And once you do this, it's really easy. You have to just go and turn on your airplane mode here, just like as you can see in the image, right? And once you turn it on, open the app and allow it to load normally, like you just open your app here. Now disable airplane mode. At a 20% mark, turn off airplane mode when the game continues to load. As the game loads, keep an eye on the progress bar. You need to wait until it reaches about 20%. Allow the game to finish loading fully with airplane mode now disabled. Once you resume gameplay and dice roll, the used previously should now be available again. You can re-roll at desire until you achieve a favorable result, right? And most of the time it works and most of the time it doesn't. So you can apply this method and it just works. I hope this bug is not fixed till now. So you can apply it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.